Have you ever wondered if your Windows PC is using an ARM processor like Snapdragon, or an Intel or AMD processor? Here is a quick and easy way to find out. First method. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This will open the Run dialog box. In the Run box, type systeminfo 32 and press Enter. The System Information window will open. Now look for system type. If it shows ARM64-based PC, your computer is using an ARM processor, such as Snapdragon. If it shows x64-based PC, your computer is using a 64-bit Intel or AMD processor. If it shows x86-based PC, your computer is using an older 32-bit processor. Now if you want more detailed information about your system, try this second method. Again press Windows key plus R. Type CMD and press Enter to open command prompt. Now type this command, systeminfo. And press Enter. Windows will now display full system details. This includes your processor information, system type, installed memory, Windows version, BIOS details, and much more. And that's it. With just these simple steps, you can quickly check your processor type and get complete system information without installing any extra software.